Okay, home repair contractors, a question I've been getting often from clients and potential clients is how long should my video be? And I'm going to give you a pretty shocking answer. It doesn't matter how long your videos are. Now, we can't be putting out 10 to 15 second videos. That's crazy. But as far as it being, it has to be a minute, it has to be exactly 2 minutes or 3 minutes. No. What you need to focus on is the actual content. Are you helping people? For instance, we just shot a video for our sprinkler repair company, and it was just over 4 minutes. And if you read a lot of these blog posts and articles and things like that, they're going to say, oh, it has to be exactly 3 minutes or you're not going to have, your audience is going to tune out and whatnot. That's just not the case. If you have an interesting topic and the sound quality is good and it's something that homeowners actually care about, in this instance it was the best time to update your landscaping and tips on how to navigate your sprinkler system to water accordingly. Homeowners care about that kind of stuff. If you're a plumber, it may be reasons why you should flush your tankless water heater, things like that. So the topic is much more important than the length. If you focus on just the length of the video, what's going to happen is it's going to be obvious that you just have a video that's just there to meet an algorithm or a guideline. So speak from your heart, get a really good topic that your audience is going to care about, and get out there and film. It's going to be more genuine. It's going to be more authentic. Speaking of authentic, there goes my daughter in the background writing. So do not put any emphasis on getting it exactly to a correct amount of time. Be focused on helping your audience. People are going to share it and people are going to like it.